Hi all, welcome to my another video on triangles, and my name is Sri Devi. This is triangles and I'm solving exercise 15A from Selena Consign's mathematics book for class 7, and we'll just go ahead and solve the problems. In case of any questions or doubts, please mention it in the comment section and I'll be more than happy to help you out. Question 1. State if the triangles are possible with the following angles: 20 degrees, 70 degrees and 90 degrees. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Here 20 degrees plus 70 plus 90 is 180 degrees. Therefore triangle is possible. The second sum: 40 degrees, 130 degrees and 20 degrees. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Here 40 degrees plus 130 degrees plus 20 degrees is equal to 190 degrees. Therefore triangle is not possible. Third one: 60 degrees, 60 degrees and 50 degrees. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Here 60 plus 50 is 170 degrees. Therefore triangle is not possible. Fourth one: 125 degrees, 40 degrees and 15 degrees. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Here 125 degrees plus 40 degrees plus 15 degrees is 180 degrees. Therefore triangle is possible. Question 2. If the angles of a triangle are equal, find its angle. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Consider the angles of a triangle as A. Therefore A plus A is equal to 180 degrees. That's 3A is equal to 180 degrees. A is equal to 180 degrees by 3, that is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore each angle of a triangle is 60 degrees. Question 3. In a triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 45 degrees, angle B is equal to 75 degrees and angle C. So find the angle C. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Here angle A is equal to 45 degrees, angle B is equal to 75 degrees. Therefore angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore 45 degrees plus 75 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore 120 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. Therefore C is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore the required angle C is equal to 60 degrees. Hope it is clear. Fourth one: in a triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 60 degrees and angle Q is equal to angle R. Find the angle R. The sum of three angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Given angle P is equal to 60 degrees, let's consider angle Q plus is equal to angle R is equal to X. Therefore Q plus angle P plus angle R is equal to 180 degrees. Alright. Therefore it is X plus 60 plus X is equal to 180 degrees. 2X is equal to 180 minus 60 degrees. 2X is equal to 120 degrees. X is equal to 120 by 2, that is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore angle R is equal to 60 degrees. Pretty simple. Question number 5. Calculate the unknown marked angle in each of the figure. Alright. So just this is the figure. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore 90 plus 30 plus X is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore 120 degrees plus X is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore angle X is equal to 60 degrees. Here the second one: the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Therefore 80 plus 20 plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. 100 plus Y is equal to 180 degrees. Y is equal to 180 minus 100, that is equal to 80 degrees. Therefore the required angle Y is equal to 80 degrees. Third one: the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. 90 plus 40 plus A is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore 130 degrees plus A is equal to 180 degrees. A is equal to 180 minus 130 degrees, that's equal to 50 degrees. The angle A is 50 degrees. Question 6. Find the value of each angle in the figure. So the figure is given as below. So let's quickly move on to the solution. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Value of X can be obtained as 5X plus 4X plus X is equal to 180 degrees. 10 degrees, 10x is equal to 180, x is equal to 18 by 180 by 10, that is equal to 18 degrees. Therefore, angle A can be obtained as angle A is equal to 5x degrees, that is equal to A into 5 into 18, that is 90 degrees. Angle B can be obtained as B is equal to 4x, that's equal to 14 into 18, that is equal to 72 degrees. Angle C is equal to x, that's equal to 18 degrees. Therefore, angle A, angle B, angle C are 90, 72 and 18 respectively. Next one. Please see the figure carefully. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Value of x can be obtained as x plus 2x is equal to 180 degrees. 5x is equal to 180 degrees. X is equal to 180 by 5, that is equal to 36 degrees. Therefore, angle A is equal to 36 degrees. Angle A is equal to 36 degrees. Angle B is equal to 2x, that's equal to 2 into 36, that's equal to 72 degrees. Angle C is equal to 2x degrees, that is equal to 2 into 36, that is equal to 72. Therefore, angle A, angle B, angle C are 36, 72 and 72 respectively. Let's move on to question number 7. Find the unknown marked angles in the given figure. Alright, so the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Value of B can be obtained as 50 degrees plus B is equal to 180 degrees. 2B plus 50 is equal to 180 degrees. 2B is equal to 180 minus 50, that's equal to 130 degrees. B is equal to 130 by 2, that is equal to 65 degrees. Therefore, B is equal to 65 degrees. Pretty simple. We have a second sum here. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. The value of x can be obtained as 90 plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 2x plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. 2x is equal to 180 minus 90, that's equal to 90 degrees. X is equal to 45 degrees. Third one. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. Value of x can be obtained as x plus x is equal to 180 degrees. 3x is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 180 by 3. Therefore, x is equal to 60 degrees. The fourth one. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. 60 plus m minus 5 plus m plus 5 is equal to 180 degrees. When you solve them, you get it as 60 plus 2m is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 2m is equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, that is equal to 120 degrees. M is equal to 120 by 2, that is equal to 60 degrees. Angle A is equal to m minus 5, that is equal to 60 minus 5, that is equal to 55 degrees. Angle B is equal to m plus 5, that is equal to 60 plus 5, that is equal to 65 degrees. Therefore, m minus 5 degrees is equal to 55 degrees. M plus 5 degrees is equal to 65 degrees. Hope this is clear. Let's move on to question number 8. The given figure show that angle A is equal to angle B plus C. In the first option is if angle B is equal to 60 degrees and angle C is equal to 50 degrees, find A. The line AB is parallel to CD. By alternate angles, B is equal to C and angle A is equal to angle C. By exterior angle property, A is equal to B plus C. Therefore, angle A can be obtained as angle A is equal to 110 degrees. Therefore, as A is equal to 60 degrees plus 50 degrees, that is equal to 110 degrees. Just pausing in for a few seconds for you to understand the simplification. Second one, if angle A is equal to 100 degrees and angle B is equal to 55 degrees, find C. The line AB is parallel to line CD. By alternate angles, B is equal to C, angle A is equal to angle C. By exterior angle property, angle A is equal to B plus C. Therefore, angle C can be obtained as 110 degrees is equal to 55 degrees plus C. Therefore, C is equal to 110 minus 55, that is equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, angle C is equal to 45 degrees. If angle A is equal to 108 and angle C is equal to 48 degrees, find angle B. The line AB is parallel to line CD. By alternate angles, B is equal to C and angle A is equal to angle C. By exterior angle property, A is equal to B plus C. Therefore, angle B can be obtained as 108 is equal to B plus 48 degrees. Therefore, B is equal to 108 minus 48 degrees, that is equal to 60 degrees. Calculate the angles of a triangle if they are in the ratio 4:5:6. The sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. It is given that angle A is as to angle B is as to angle C is equal to 4x is as to 5x is as to 6x. The value of x can be obtained as 4x plus 5x plus 6x is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, 15x is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, x is equal to 180 by 15. Therefore, x is equal to 12 degrees. Therefore, angle A is equal to 4x, that is equal to 4 into 12, that's 48 degrees. Angle B is equal to 5x, that's equal to 5 into 12, that is equal to 60 degrees. Angle C is equal to 6x, that's equal to 6 into 12 degrees, that is equal to 72 degrees. Therefore, angle A, angle B and angle C are 48 degrees, 60 degrees and 72 degrees. Hope this is clear. Alright, I will just stop this video for till question number 9. I'll solve the rest of the questions in my next video. Until I see you in the next video, take care and bye-bye. Thanks for watching my video. In case if you like my video, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.